Here are 5 marketing video ideas that you can implement for your e-commerce business to stand out against the competition, boost engagement, and ultimately increase conversions. Create a product demo. They're great for clearing any doubt potential customers may have about your product, its quality, and how it works. Make shoppable videos. Maria Harutyunyan, co-founder at Lupex Digital, points out the importance of this video format. She says that shoppable videos have become increasingly popular because they transform product discovery into a more interactive experience for shoppers. Create how-to videos. They aim to educate, inform, and then sneak in a contextual promotion. Promote user-generated video content. Lee McKenzie, owner and CEO of Underfit, shares his experience with UGC content. He says that Underfit has found the most success utilizing UGC content that shows relatable people generally enjoying the products. Create blog post summary videos. Blog posts are generally longer and not everyone takes the time to read through them all to the end. A 1 to 2 minute blog summary video shares your unique insights in a way that's more digestible. If you're particularly looking to increase conversions for your e-commerce store, creating shoppable videos is a wise idea. You can create such videos effortlessly using the Videowise platform. Book a demo call with an expert on our team to learn how you can get results quickly.